Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A10. Today I'll show you how to make phone call via Google Assistant. Firstly, open Google app and tap More. Go to Settings and Google Assistant. Tap on Voice Match and make sure this function is on. Now simply say, "Hey Google, call Lily."
Calling Lily.
As you can see, on my smartphone, I can't make phone call because I don't have SIM card insert, but on your cell phone it should work. This is the process how you make phone call by Google Assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.